Hello, young adventurers. Welcome to Time Traveling Detective. I'm your host, Lily, a 5-year-old detective from the future. I work for the Kip Historical Society, and my job is to travel through time, solve mysteries, and uncover the secrets of the past. Today, we're going to explore the life of an amazing historic hero. We'll travel through time, gather clues, and interview people who knew them. Get ready for an adventure through the ages. So, are you ready to join me on this time-traveling adventure? Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and get ready to explore the past with me.
Allemaal in kennis. Straks word in die jaar vandag jy nie vandag gepraat, dis net waarheid.